Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about actor and singer Terrell Carter. Many fans know him from his work on Tyler Perry Productions and as Warren Hall on Empire. But one question that has followed him over the years is Terrell Carter gay? This is especially because he portrayed a gay character in Beauty in Black. And that has got a lot of fans asking if he is gay in real life. Let's break it all down. Terrell Carter is a talented actor and singer who began his career singing background for gospel and R&B artists before moving into acting. He gained recognition in Tyler Perry's stage plays and later became widely known for his role as Warren Hall on the hit TV series Empire. With his tall stature and powerful voice, he's become a fan favorite. Back in 2009, Carter's sexuality came into the spotlight when private photos were leaked online by his then-boyfriend. This effectively outed him to the public. While it was a difficult situation, Carter did not deny being gay, and over time, he has embraced his truth and spoken more openly about living authentically. Is Terrell Carter gay? Yes, Terrell Carter is openly gay. He has spoken in interviews about being comfortable with who he is, and has portrayed LGBTQ+ characters on screen as well. His role on Empire resonated with fans because it reflected parts of his real-life journey. Terrell Carter's career shows that talent and authenticity go hand in hand. Despite the challenges of being outed, he has continued to thrive in entertainment. Fans respect him not just for his voice and acting, but also for his honesty in living his truth.